Okay, Mia, feed your baby. Oh, very good. Did you feed your baby?
Baby.
Yeah, she's hungry. Very good. Oh, you're such a good mama. You too, Charlie? Are you feeding your ducky? Are you feeding your duck, Charlie?
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, Abby says. That's right.
Yummy, yummy.
Are you going to cover up with a blanket? Yeah, cover her up with her blanket.
Papa. Papa.
She's ready to take a nap. Oh, good job. That's so sweet. Lay her on the pillow. Oh, very good. You too, Charlie? Here, let's cover her up. Here. Uh-oh. Let's cover her up. Oh, very good. You gonna hold her? Rock her to sleep. Got such good mamas. Got 3 sweet little mamas. Abby, gonna cover hers up too? Okay, Mama help. Here. Oh. Okay, that'll probably kill your baby, but hey, you loving her. Bobo? Yeah, Mia has strawberries on her Bobo. Let's see your strawberries. Yep, she's got strawberries on her Bobo, Charlie. Very good.